Now, this won't make sense outside Australia and New Zealand, but if you've read Harry McClary from Donaldson's Dairy to a Toddler, you know the story. A gang of dogs, including Harry McClary, and bottomless pots with all the spots, and Hercules Morse, who was as big as a horse, and they're having a lovely time until they meet Scarface Claw, who in fact is the toughest Tom in town. And one hiss and they all bolt. That's your search landscape right now. AEO, or Answer Engine Optimization, is Scarface Claw, and traditional SEO is running for its life. If you're watching your Google Analytics reports, you're seeing traffic from ChatGPT. What you don't see is the scary bit, zero-click searches. Your potential clients are researching on ChatGPT and never visiting your website. Now, this isn't a trend, it's the new landscape. The predictions are that by 2028, the majority of answer engine traffic will come from ChatGPT and it won't be Google. That's a tectonic plate movement. And what you do right now determines whether you're winning in 2028 or wondering where your clients all went. Last week, WhiteSpark and HubSpot, now the most visible CRM and answer engines, released the data. And here's what matters. AI overviews appear in 60% of searches. Click-through rates are cut in half. ChatGPT serves 400 million users weekly. 50% of buyers use AI to make purchasing decisions. So when these people reach your website, if they do, they convert at 3 times the rate because AI did the research. But if you're not in that AI shortlist, you essentially don't exist. So first, stop publishing your 2,500 word blogs or guides and start publishing exact answers. Nobody needs your ultimate guide to anything. They need specific answers in this new world. Can I modify my prenup? How much for a carpal tunnel? How do I get Supreme Court bail? One question, one answer. Now, HubSpot tested this and citations improved 433%. And here's the critical bit. You have to tie every point back to your firm. Location, expertise, services. Otherwise, you're making ChatGPT smarter without getting the recommendation. Second is answer engines don't really care about backlinks. They care about mentions. Is your law firm mentioned on Reddit? Is it mentioned on LinkedIn? Are you on review sites, legal directories, YouTube, and the like? HubSpot identified which sites AI was already citing, then got mentioned there. Guest posts, roundups, expert commentary, not even hyperlinked. What matters is AI learns your positioning in that space. So when AI recommends lawyers for carpal tunnel in Melbourne or Manitoba, it should bump into your firm dozens of times in authoritative mentions. So the results for HubSpot are pretty profound. Highest share of voice, citations up 433%, demand up 2,000% for their CRM, and AI referred traffic up 527% just this year. Now, as I mentioned earlier, these prospects convert at 3 times the rate because they've done all the research already. So here's what you must do immediately. Stop thinking that another opus on BFAs or non-disclosure agreements or whatever the case might be will rank you in AI. That's perfecting fax cover sheets in 2025. Any expert still playing 2019's SEO game is teaching you to optimize Yellow Pages ads, so stop listening to them. Create specific AI optimized answers. Tie everything back to your firm and get mentioned everywhere that matters. Because Scarface Claw isn't going anywhere, and the law firms building for AI visibility now will dominate in 2028 because they're doing the hard work right this minute. And of course, the ones that don't listen to this will be wondering why their phone isn't ringing.